193 कंट्री में सिर्फ 3 देश ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान पाकिस्तान के समर्थन में बयान दिया था। ओनली 3 कंट्रीज। क्वाड हो, ब्रिक्स हो, फ्रांस, रूस, जर्मनी, कोई भी देश का नाम ले लीजिए, तमाम देश दुनिया भर से भारत को समर्थन मिला। आदरणीय अध्यक्ष जी, दुनिया का समर्थन तो मिला, दुनिया के देशों का समर्थन मिला,
मानिए,
लेकिन ये दुर्भाग्य है कि मेरे देश के वीरों के पराक्रम को कांग्रेस का समर्थन नहीं।
Hello and welcome to Trendline Times. I'm Umar. Today we bring you a story not just of retaliation but of resolve. Operation Sindoor, India's swift, high-precision strike in response to the Pahalgam terror attack, lasted just 22 minutes but shook the very ground beneath Pakistan's terror infrastructure. And in Parliament, a storm followed with 16 hours of fierce debate. Every corner of the operation was scrutinized. Let's walk you through every verified fact, every major speech, and the political firestorm it triggered. At 3:47 a.m. May 6, 2025, Indian Air Force jets crossed the line of control in just 22 minutes. They struck 9 targets inside Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Over 100 militants, including senior trainers and handlers from groups like Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Taiba, were eliminated. Not a single civilian was harmed. Not a single Indian asset was touched. This was India's new military doctrine in action: strike fast, strike clean. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh addressed Parliament with clarity and strength. He confirmed the operation was designed to maximize damage to terror camps and ensuring zero harm to civilians. He also revealed that Pakistan requested a ceasefire once their key camps were destroyed. India accepted only after mission success. Operation Sindoor is paused, not over. The monsoon session began with tributes to the 26 civilians killed in the Pahalgam massacre, but soon tempers flared. The Lok Sabha was adjourned 3 times as demands grew for a full debate. Questions were raised. How did the Pahalgam attackers breach surveillance? Were there intelligence failures? Was Operation Sindoor politically timed? Ultimately, Parliament agreed to a 16-hour-long special debate across both houses. On July 29, 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi again took the Lok Sabha floor in the heated debate over Operation Sindoor. The factional heat was palpable. India watched and history listened. In his 100-minute no-holds-barred speech, PM Modi delivered not just facts but a strategic narrative. He declared Operation Sindoor a 100% success, all intended terror targets destroyed, no Indian life lost, no civilians harmed, every strike carried out with surgical precision. PM Modi reminded the House that many nations publicly supported India's action, yet inside Parliament, Congress alone failed to support India's security forces, a clear political fault line. We received global support, but unfortunately, the valor of our Jawans did not get the support of Congress. Then he shut down speculation of foreign pressure. No world leader, not even the President of United States, asked India to stop. Next, he cited India's Air Force success. On May 9th, we intercepted nearly 1,000 Pakistani drones and missiles, proving the unmatched strength of India's air defense. And then came the explosive reveal by Home Minister Amit Shah. He confirmed Operation Mahadev, a covert mission that eliminated the 3 terrorists responsible for the Pahalgam massacre. Evidence recovered Pakistani voter ID cards, a tangible sign of foreign sponsorship behind the attack. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's most powerful line broke through political layers. India has proved that nuclear blackmailing will not work anymore. It set a new national threshold. India will not bow under nuclear threats. He then delivered a clear warning to those in parliament who had questioned India's military resolve. When the nation stood united, some leaders in this very house chose silence. They questioned our jawans. They created fear. Congress MP Gaurav Gogai questioned the intelligence failure before the Pahalgam attack. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra accused the government of hiding behind historic symbolism rather than addressing security lapses. Rahul Gandhi went further. He asked if Operation Sindoor was politically calculated and why there was no international condemnation of Pakistan after such a brutal attack. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi claimed that India's armed forces were not given full freedom during Operation Sindoor, but defense experts and government sources immediately countered, saying, "In war, discipline is not a restriction, it is strategy." Our military operated with full tactical autonomy within a defined doctrine, the very framework that ensured zero civilian casualties and total mission success. Prime Minister Modi indirectly responded to this criticism in his speech, stating that India's armed forces were never bound by politics, only guided by duty, discipline and precision. Asaduddin Owaisi raised concerns about the IAF squadron strength and asked whether India's air defense infrastructure is enough for sustained threats. Bahujan Samaj Party Chief Mayawati delivered a rare but timely message in Parliament, urging all parties to rise above politics. In her words, moments of national security aren't about party lines, they are about standing united as one nation, one resolve. Operation Sindoor wasn't just a reply, it was a turning point. It showed that under Prime Minister Modi's leadership, New India doesn't wait to be attacked. It strikes first, strikes hard, and protects every inch of its land. When our enemies sent 1,000 drones and missiles, India's air defense destroyed every one. When the world watched in silence, India acted with courage, and while most nations stood with us, some in our own parliament could not. The truth is, India is stronger today because of fearless leadership, powerful intelligence, and the unmatched courage of our forces. At Trendline Times, we don't just cover the headlines, we honor the heartbeat of the nation. We speak facts with pride. We stand where Bharat stands. I'm Uma. Thank you for joining us. If you stand with India's soldiers, India's strength, and India's truth, like, share, and subscribe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.